Hi, and welcome to this devotional. I thought we'd start a little bit differently today. We're in devotional 4, Zephaniah 3:19 to 20, and it says, "I will bring together those who were chased away. I will give glory and fame to my former exiles, wherever they have been mocked and shamed. On that day I will gather you together and bring you home again. I will give you a good name, a name of distinction amongst all the nations of the earth, as I restore your fortunes before their very eyes. I, the Lord, have spoken." And this is all about them coming out of exile. And the word home means lots of things to different people. So when I read what Angela had written, I thought lots of things about home, maybe a home sampler, maybe what does home mean to you. And often the first place I start with thinking about what I'm going to do and draw is Google. So I sat down and I put the word home into Google, and I got lots of really elegant, expensive houses. But then this particular image here, this one here, appeared, and then that followed by that one, and then then I clicked on that one and we got these ones, and then that one I just love the colours of. So what I did was I've just dead simply used my mobile phone and I've saved the screen, but just for ease so you can see them all together, I've put them all together in one document. But equally, what I would have normally done is used my my photo bank that's on the iPhone to have a look at them and then pick the bits from them. But for ease, I've put all of them together here. So what is my thought process? Well, I'm going to work in in my Bible today, and I'm thinking about combining some of these thoughts, some of these ideas into a picture of a home, but I'm going to make it a whimsical home. Now, equally, if you're not a drawer, you could print off one of these pictures, or a picture you like, and trace it. So you could save it as a screen capture, and then print it off to the right size and stick it under your Bible and trace it. So you don't have to be able to draw. You don't have to be able to create your own thing. But what I'm trying to say is you can get ideas from just putting lots of pictures together, even if it's just ideas on colours. So for instance, this house here, love it, but I love the colours. So I might be going with the blue and white idea there. But equally, I wouldn't have thought of doing a home out of a shell. And I think that's fabulous. What was coming to my mind was kind of the old fairy houses with the toadstools and mushrooms. So we're going to change view now to the view over my Bible, and let's have a go at this together.